Welcome back. We see how to convert numbers from inch to centimeters. So I have some random numbers in column C. I wanted to convert the numbers which are there in column C to column D. So basically I am converting from one unit of measurement to another unit of measurement, which is from inch to centimeters. In Excel, we don't have straightforward method to convert from inch to centimeters. So I need to follow two-step process to convert from inch to centimeters. Let us see how we can convert. So I have to use the function which is called as convert, and I have to select the number which I wanted to convert. The number is 19, and to convert inch to centimeter, I have to use the option which is called as IN. So if you drag the mouse, you will be able to see there is an option inch. I need to use the IN in double quote. So this is the sub function which I have to specify. And to convert to meter, there is no option to convert to centimeters basically. I need to convert to meter first. If you see in this option, there is no centimeter listed. So first I have to convert to meter. To convert to meter, I need to specify small m. So this is the function which is sub function within convert, and close the bracket. So I got the result as 0.4826. So 19 inch is equal to 0.4826 meters. I will change this into meter, but our intention is to convert inch to centimeters. So I will write the header as centimeters, and I will also format. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we can calculate by using equals, then select the number which we wanted to convert to centimeters. Since we have already converted to meter, what I will do is I will multiply by 100, because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, and enter. 48.26 centimeters. So 19 inch is equal to 48.26 centimeter. So this is the two-step process what we have to follow to convert from inch to centimeters. Let me drag the formula for the other cells, and I will drag the formula for the centimeters as well. So if you notice, the result is same for all the other numbers as well. So this is not correct. So I have made the mistake, because in the first calculation what I have done is I have used the number straight away. So in this calculation in D3, instead of using the number 19, I have to use the cell reference which is C3. So now I'll be able to drag the formula for remaining cells. So it gets automatically updated for centimeters as well. So the centimeter in column E has automatically taken the result. So now 47 inches, 119.38 centimeters, and if you take in meters, it will be 1.1938 meters. So now we know how to convert from inch to centimeters. If I wanted to convert from meter to inch back, so I'll copy this, I'll paste it in I column, I'll paste it as values, and I will use the same format, and I will copy this inch. Now I wanted to convert from meter to inch. So what I will do is I will use the function convert, and instead of inch, now I have to specify the number which I wanted to convert, and comma in double quote m, close the double quote, comma again, and I wanted to convert to inch, which is in double quote in, close the double quote. So now I got the result as 19. So we have the same result, which is, I will copy and paste it as values. So we have the same result which we had before. Hope you got the idea how to convert from inch to meters to centimeters and again meter to inch. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.